All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we have a new watch. I picked up a new watch. I got this from Milspec Watch Group. Part of the reason I bought this watch was because Chris Marshall from Marshall Time has had videos on a couple of these watches. I actually purchased one for him from Milspec Watch Group. And so the other day I was going through their website, and this one's kind of got my eye a couple of different times, and I haven't ordered it, but finally I reached out to Jared and got this one ordered. So super excited to open it here. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video for this watch, and hopefully in a week or so I will get a full review video up on it. I'm excited. I'm going to a concert tonight and spending the night at a hotel, and so this is going to be the watch I take. So Royal Mail, as you guys can see, this one came across the pond from the UK. Pull the box out of there. External packaging was kind of beat up, but inside everything looks really good here. And here is the, let me see if I can focus this. There is the information about the watch, and you can see this is the brand name. Now this comes from MWC watches, but this interesting. This is in their standard MRP style case. But I really dug the name, this Elvia name, and the looks of this watch. This one has some particular different looks to some of their other MWC branded MRP style cases, and we'll talk more about what that MRP style case is in the full video. So here's the case it comes in. Really nice. This feels like legit leather. I'm not sure that it is, but it feels good. You've got Elvia and Berlin in there. And we go ahead and open this thing up. Check it out. And it does come with a spare strap, which is super nice. I have another MWC, and I really like their nylon straps. Very nice. So here is the warranty card information there. We'll talk a little bit more about that in the full video. And here's the watch. So let me get it out from underneath the rubber bands here, and we'll bring it up here for just a second to check it out. So really cool. This is running a Seiko NH35. I'll give you that before the full review, but nice looking watch. You guys get to watch the sticker get peeled off the crystal there, if I can get that with my fingernail. It's always hard to do this on camera because I wear glasses, corrective lenses, and it's tough to see there. I could feel it coming off. And I think, boy, could have paused that one there. There we go. Get that off of there. So nice looking dial layout. I love that Elvia up there at the 12 o'clock and the automatic with the K down there at the 6 o'clock position. We'll kind of go through everything on the full video of this, but just really quickly, what really I liked about this one initially, bead blasted case. You got a PVD coated bezel. The Elvia logo up there at the top, and the faded loom on the handset. But just stay tuned, guys. In a week or so, I'll get a full video up of this one. And this is a NM style strap, so this has some stretch to it. So super excited to get this one on the wrist. Again, thanks to Milspec Watch Group, and stay tuned because I will get a full review up of this in just a few days. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.